Hello everyone. Hope the Surya Namaskar that I posted last time was easy to follow and understand. Today we shall be practicing Ashtanga Suryanamaskar A. Ashtanga Vinyasa form of yoga has two Surya Namaskars to it, Ashtanga Suryanamaskar A and Ashtanga Suryanamaskar B. And today we shall be practicing Ashtanga Suryanamaskar A. The counts that we use in Ashtanga Vinyasa form of yoga are done in Sanskrit. So I shall be giving the counts in Sanskrit. Let us practice together. Today we are practicing Suryanamaskar A and this has 9 steps. Samasthiti. Ekam, breathe in. Tuck the tailbone in. Dve, breathe out. Trini, breathe in. Chatvari, push the floor, jump back. Pancha, breathe in, chest up. Shat, breathe out. Adho Mukh Svanasana, downward facing dog. Lift the tail high, engage the thigh muscles, relax the shoulders and head down. 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Sapta, jump ahead. Ashta, breathe out. Nava, breathe in. And relax. Samasthiti. Did you find Ashtanga Suryanamaskar A challenging? Not to worry. Let us see how we can modify this practice for people who are at beginner level or maybe people with shoulder injuries, or if you find it challenging, if you do not have that much strength. So we can modify the postures according to your own physical needs and condition. Let us practice the modified variation of Ashtanga Suryanamaskar A. This is the original way of doing Suryanamaskar A. If you cannot jump back or you cannot practice Chaturanga Dandasana because of any physical condition, then you can try this modification of Suryanamaskar A. Ekam, Dve, Trini, breathe in. Chatvari, if you cannot jump back, you can step back from here. Then go down, toes, knees, chest and chin. Breathe out. Pancha, breathe in. Shat, breathe out. Same way, downward facing dog. Lift the tail high. Engage the thigh muscles. Relax the shoulders. 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, again, if you cannot jump ahead, you can step ahead. Breathe out, breathe in. Ashta, breathe out. Nava, breathe in. And relax. Samasthiti. So it's good to practice according to your own physical needs, and you can always modify a pose according to your requirements.